Hey everybody, Jonathan Blackwood here with Commercial Integrator on behalf of HDBaseT. We are streaming live from ISE 2020 at the HDBaseT booth, and I'm very lucky to be joined by Pawel Weglowski from Lobos, Poland. Thank you so much for joining us.
Hi, nice to meet you. Thank you.
Yeah, it's great to meet you too. So I understand that you guys did a project for a pretty big steel producer over in Poland. Could you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, we've made a project for the largest steel producer. They need to create a space for large meetings, for board meetings, and for press meetings. So it was a big room divided into two. It can be divided into two. And it's in all the building, and all cables, all AV equipment have to be hidden and have to be moved into one room. So the problem was long distances. And for example, this old building have a very thick ceiling, ceiling floor. So we need to put all cables in the basement and then go up. Using HDBaseT, using Atlona products, make it possible, because we need only one cut cable to provide the signal. And also we used, and it was very important for us, we used endpoints without the external power. So we use HDBaseT power with the devices. So it was easier for us, and also cheaper for the clients, because it was fast to create, to install.
So obviously pretty complicated space and challenging. Luckily HDBaseT was there to kind of help you guys out. What was it about HDBaseT versus other standards that made it possible for you guys to complete this project?
It's a standard. We can have lots of devices. We are working very close with Atlona. Atlona is using HDBaseT products, so everything worked perfectly and without any hassle. Everything has a certificate, so we know that we got the 70 or 100 meters, and we know that it will work. It wasn't something that we were testing. We know that it will work.
So did you guys learn of HDBaseT through Atlona, or was it more of you went into the project knowing, okay, this is an HDBaseT environment?
Like, we know Atlona, we know HDBaseT, so we know that we need to use it.
Yeah.
And it wasn't our first project using the HDBaseT, but it was one of the largest and one of these environments in which without HDBaseT we will have a huge hassle to make it.
Yeah, it makes a ton of sense, and I know that the industry sometimes tries to say either AV over IP or HDBaseT, but it's really a case-by-case basis, correct?
It's very case-by-case, because if the deployment is very, very large, you probably will want to use AV over IP. But in the middle scale with node of 100 devices, HDBaseT is something to go. So as you said, it's case-by-case. We cannot say that this is better, this is better. It's case-by-case problem.
Yeah, I heard we had someone on yesterday that said it's like telling someone to pick your favorite screwdriver, a Phillips head or a flathead, and it's like, how can you do that?
You have
it's
to
like
have both.
Yeah, exactly. It depends on what you're trying to screw in. So, all right, well, thank you so much for telling us about this project and for your time here today. Pawel from Lobos, Poland, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much. Thank you.